We're going vintage pipe hunting today. We're gonna hit a couple antique stores, see if we can find any old pipes and fun things like that. Should be a good time. But before we do that, real quick order of business. I've been getting made fun of a lot about the fact that I always wear the same two hats, and both of them just happen to be Martin's hats from Martin's Barbecue. And I do like Martin's a lot. No, they're not a sponsor or anything, but people kind of give me a hard time about my hats. So today I want to let you know that I do have other hats, not just this one, not just the Navy one you have there. I have other hats with other things on it. So today I want to show you. I got a new hat. You like it? Welcome back to House of Manners. Today we are in Franklin, Tennessee. This is a great place for doing vintage hunting, whether you're looking for pipes, ashtrays, cigar lighters, all kinds of cool things. You can find some really cool things here in Franklin. Today I'm at, this is the barn door. This is my first stop. I've got a tip. There might be some pipes and some other pipe paraphernalia here. So we're going to go in, check it out, and see what we can find. Let's do it. All right, so we just left the barn door, found a few cool items. I want to show you what we got. I'm very, very pleased. Picked up 3 pipes and a really awesome looking pipe rack from the 1960s. Let me show you. So here is the pipe rack that I bought. It's nice and big, needs a little cleaning up, but in really good shape. 1960s, so that's kind of cool. Very interesting. Found 3 pipes, $15 a piece. These are not big famous name brands or anything like that, but you know, 15 bucks a piece. They all look to be in pretty good shape. This one here has a little bit of chipping along that edge, but no major cracks, just some buffing, cleaning up. I think they'll smoke really, really nice. Look at this bad boy. This is the Scotch Giant. Wow, it's heavy. It's actually a heavy pipe. It's thick, but these were 15 bucks a piece. So, I mean, you know, hey, that's a pretty good find. I mean, at the end of the day, we're going to see, you know, how they buff out and clean up really nice, but that was our first place. Now we're at the Franklin Antique Mall. Let's go. Here is a vintage handmade pipe. Kind of neat. It's sitting on this rack here. This is a antique stand with a tobacco jar. Looks like it's about $89. Pretty good shape. I just bought a really nice pipe rack. I'm gonna pass on that. I know I am new to pipe smoking, but I have never seen a pipe with an insert like that, like a metal insert. I mean, I'm assuming that is a real smoking pipe. I just have never seen that. So there's one here, and then there's another one here. I mean, they look nice, but they feel kind of cheap, plasticky. I know they're not, but anyway. Y'all tell me if I'm wrong. I'm passing on those. So I don't know about that metal screen. not only am I looking for pipes, I'm also looking for things that aesthetically will go into a future remodel of a gentleman's lounge in my house. This is a little change tray. It's kind of neat. It's a vintage cigar box. Yes. Cigars go down in there. Interesting. What's up, guys? Looks like some of the video corrupted. I actually left Franklin Antique Mall and then went to another store. Some of the K Woody you're gonna see and a couple of the pipes you see was actually from another store. They were extremely overpriced for what they were. They didn't have the selection they had. They had actually a good selection, but none of the pipes were like big name brands, and they were just in pretty rough condition for what they wanted for them, so I didn't purchase any. But anyway, just wanted to give you that heads up since the video file got corrupted for some reason. I just wanted to step in and tell you real quick. But anyway, back to the video. Thought I'd stop in the Mission here in Franklin. If you haven't been, you should. It's absolutely gorgeous in here. This is what a cigar lounge should be. Amazing selection, amazing aesthetics, and amazing staff. This is the absolute best place to have a cigar in Franklin. This is the sister cigar lounge to my cigar lounge in Spring Hill. This is where you want to come. If you're in Spring Hill, where I go normally, this is the other location, and they both have very different vibes, very different feels, but both are very, very cool place to go. I am smoking the Opus X. I can't even pronounce it. Destino Siglo. It's Delicio, is what I'm gonna tell you. So amazing. So you gotta get in here, you gotta check it out, you gotta come to the Mission. If you're in Franklin, you will not regret it. Great team, great staff, great selection. This is where you need to be. So I'm leaving the Mission, mission accomplished. Leaving the Mission Cigar Lounge, getting ready to head home. Just wanted to, before I go, I wanted to say a nice afternoon doing some pipe hunting. Found a couple of cool things and I'm looking forward to getting them home and looking to try to figure out a way to restore them. I don't really have much experience in that, but I want to learn how to restore older pipes and be on the lookout for those things. And I'm getting ready to leave the Mission, and I met this guy named Jerry. We got, you know how it is at a cigar lounge. You sit down next to people, you start talking, and this guy used to live in South Florida. And of course, if you don't know anything about South Florida is home to a lot of really small individual people that hand roll cigars on site. And he was telling me these stories about how he would go in and buy these hand rolled bundles for like $60, get like 20 awesome like hand rolled cigars, like they're literally hand rolling the cigars in front of him. Like, how cool is that? And we were just talking, having a great chat, and I said, hey man, nice to meet you, but I got to roll. Shook his hand. He said, hey, before you go, I want to give you something. He gave me this hand-rolled cigar from Florida. He said that this is the type of stuff you get in South Florida. Look at that. Look how cool that is. And I bet it's absolutely delicious. So I'm about to smoke this pretty soon, guys, on one of the live streams coming up. So anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me for an afternoon. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.